Hi everybody, it's Heather at Little Bird Blythe. Today I'm making doll accessories and I thought I would come on and just have a quick chat with you about ways you can make belts for your dolls. Now this is an absolutely gorgeous dress. It was not made by me, it was purchased and it was for one of my Blythe dolls, and you can see here that they've used a ribbon slider. So these are widely available on eBay, Amazon, Etsy, and it's basically a piece of moulded plastic in a circle shape with a bar on the middle, bar going through the middle, and it's just a piece of plastic, but it's made to look like pearls. So that's so cute, and all you do is literally slip a piece of ribbon into one side over the bar and out through the other side, and then that makes an absolutely super little belt for your dresses, or you could just add that onto any piece of Blythe doll or Barbie doll clothing. So that is super cute, and these are so cheap and easy to get hold of, and they really do make your dresses look super fabulous. So that's one idea. Another idea, again, it's using a very similar concept. So this one's made out of metal, but it's the same design. So it's basically, this one's an oval shape though, and again it has the bar in the middle, and all you do is just take a piece of leather or faux leather, cut it to the shape of a belt, so a nice long piece, and make sure that it goes around your doll body, and then you can just slip the piece of faux leather or leather over through one side, over the bar, back on itself, and then just stitch it onto the underside of the belt, and that just makes a really quick and easy belt for your dolls, and it just makes it so easy to add to an outfit and just cinch in that waist and make it look really super pretty. Now here we've got another example, and this is just a quick and easy make that you can do using poppers. Now I'm not going to do one here because when I use the tools it does make a bit of a hammering noise, but you can get these kits on Amazon, and it comes with, you can even see a video on YouTube to see how you can use them, but it comes with the tools, and it's a popper set. I like to use the metal ones, although I have used plastic on that one. I prefer the metal ones because they tend to be a bit more robust and they tend to work a bit better. But these are brilliant because all you have to do is add a popper to a piece of leather or faux leather. This one here has been backed on itself, so I've used one strip, cut it out in a belt shape, and then another one, and I just sandwiched them together with some fabric glue in between, so that's made it lovely and soft on both sides. This one is just a single-sided, so you could use just one piece of leather or faux leather, and then you add your popper. This one here is a plastic one. This one's quite good because it had a bit of a recess on it, so where these ones are sort of shiny metal on the top, this actually had sort of a recessed part, so I was able to glue a faux gem, flat back gem on there, so that made that look super cute. And all you do is attach one part of the popper to one side of the belt, the other part of the popper to the other side of the belt, and then you can literally just cinch in any outfit. Now this doll body is obviously only wearing a piece of fabric, and that's just for demonstration purposes, but you can see how this makes it nice and super easy for kids to design their own clothes just using little bits of fabric. They can pull together pieces of fabric, layer them up, and then just add a belt in the middle, and then they've made a little outfit design that you can then go ahead and sew or make into a proper outfit later, but it just gives them the opportunity to see what clothes will look like on a doll body. So there you go, they're just some quick ideas on how to make doll belts, accessories for your Blythe doll or your Barbie doll. Thanks for joining me. I hope you found this useful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.